Oh, hey guys. We might have to start the show. Hi everyone. I'm Raouf Muhammad and these are my siblings. Yakko Warner. Where's Wacko? Wacko! Wacko! What? Get in here. Why? Cause the show started? Why? Because the last show ended. Why? I don't know why. Just get in here. Am I in trouble? No, you're late. Well, what are we doing? We're starting the show. Now let's start over. Hello, welcome to the show. I'm Raouf, and I'm Yakko. I'm Wecko, and I'm Dot. I'm starting the show. I'm starting the show with with three siblings over here, and we might gonna start the Muhammad kids, future kids. That's my kids. When you get older? Yes, when I get older. Well, what are we gonna start? Oh, I know. The Ark Boat. The Ark Boat? Hey, I remember. You do? Yeah. What do animals look like? Mystical creature or something. Oh, okay. Roll the film. Aw, man. The animal is. The ark is full of animals. We are mythical creatures.
What's the next? What's the next arc bolt anyway?
Are you being patient, Manticore?
Fine, I'll be patient.
Besides, where's the ark anyway? We need to go, we still had to go to my place. A griffin place for me, cause I'm a griffin. Yeah, but I wanted to go to the three-headed dog show. Yeah. Yeah, get over here. It's getting cool.
Are we there yet?
Not now, Metacore. It'll be ready in a little more hours.
Oh my goodness. I'm so sick and tired of being patient. I want to go. I want to go.
Calm down. Just be patient. You're freaking out.
Okay, I'm freaking out. Now I gotta calm down now and take my breath.
Take a relaxing deep breath.
Alright, and now I'm freaking in.
Oh, hey, look. There's an arc bolt.
Finally, all hours.
Hey, you guys need a ride? It's finally
Yay!
here! Oh, look, it's a newt. And he's covering fire. Ah, so hot. It's so cool. Thank you. Wait, are you three-headed dogs? Yes. Hi. Hello. Hi. Nice to meet you. What's that rumbling noise? I think it's coming from the big footsteps. Oh, hey.
I'm a Mythical. I've been waiting this. I've been waiting this arc all hours. And do you like my tail? Pretty sharp, huh?
I can see that.
Okay. As you know, I am a Mythical.
Is that everybody? Yep. 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 Everybody's here. We're all here. Well, unless I like to hop. Because I'm a bunny. You don't look like a bunny. Dude, I am. I'm just a half deer, half bunny. See my horns? Oh. And I'm a half dragon, half snake. Looks like a water road trip. Hey guys, Sibs. How's the creatures? They're just fine. Ooh. I wonder if it's sharp. I think I should touch it. Ow!
Oops, sorry. I think you need to watch out with my tail. It's pretty sharp.
It's fine. It's fine. I think it hurts a little bit. And do you know where we're going first? What? Going to see our parents. Your parents? It'll be good. I don't know. I don't know. What if we get nervous?
Yeah, and they will afraid of us cause we're dangerous.
Why do I have to do that? You don't have to scare them. You just want to say hello. One at a time. Alright, we're here. We're in North Miami, Florida.
Gee, touchy, touchy.
Hey. Hey, we gotta join here. Ew. Ah. Hey Dad, we're home. Where have you been? Look, these are mythical creatures. Ah, 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 ah. What are they doing here? Oh, we had the ark and we put we put the mythical animals into the arc boat, and we taken them to North Miami. We are already on North Miami. What? How did I get here? I don't know, we had to call somebody to get rid of them. No, please don't get rid of them. They're nice. They're not gonna hurt you guys. I know they don't want to hurt us, but those guys are dangerous. You know, we gotta put them back to zoo. I'm gonna call Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse! Yep. Take those mythical animals to the zoo. Oh, okay. Alright, let's go. No, please don't take us. Sorry, but we had to go. Mickey Mouse, you forgot something? Oh, right, that. Ooh, 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 it's hot. It's on fire. I can't pick it up. Come on. Now, you listen here, guys. When I come back, I'll bring you some when I come back. So, what you think of the filming videos?
Oh my goodness. It was so amazing. I mean, your your future children is had the ark boat and had mythical creatures. Yep, and now they're ark boat. Oh my.
Well, it's all the time we have for today. It's late. We have to go home.
Bye.
Bye. Good night, everybody.